In this video, we'll look at what's new in Murf AI Studio 2.0. There's a ton of new features that will help you create better sounding voiceovers for your projects easily. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is Murf AI that allows you to create text-to-speech, and it's a versatile AI voice generator. So the voices sound like humans. This helps you scale your content easily and all that. But let's go straight into the studio. And if you don't yet have an account with Murf AI, you can try the free version. It allows you to test out all the 120 plus voices and so much more. You can test it out before you decide on purchasing. So let's click on Studio because I'm already logged in. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create or click on one of the projects I already have. Now, this is a project that I've been working on, and it has a couple of things right inside here. So the first new item, or what's new in Murf AI, is there are a bunch of new voices. So we already have a voice right now. This young man, Nate, is our voiceover now. But if I click on his picture, you'll see a bunch of new. Anything that's written new, that's what's new in this version. All these voices, 120 plus voices, and Murf supports 20 plus languages. And for example, English, it includes the accents for different like American, British, Australian, African American. So you kind of like get what you need. So you can see all this right from this side: English India, English Kids, etc, and so on and so forth, because all these are very different. But those are some of the new voices that are available, and you can just test them out. And as you see, you'll see that all this, if you look at all this, it's just new. So it's up to you to try and see what voice works best for you. So those are the voices that are new, and the new voices can mimic nuances, and there are things like likeness, style, and uniqueness of the human voice. So I believe it's a very good update for this. Now, second on the list is that you now have more control over how the voiceover that is going to be produced sounds like. So for example, let's assume this is what we have in this. You now see have general, pitch, speed, add a pause, and you can also change the pronunciation. So for example, let's listen to this.
Hi everyone, this is David. And
so let's pause that. Let's say we wanted to boost like the pitch or something. So you have this particular slider to the left or to the right, and different percentages, and you can also see some percentages in between. You can also reset to default, but let's say we go with -17. Let's get generate this audio, and we'll have a feel of how it's going to sound like in a couple of seconds. So let's play.
Hi everyone, this is David.
So when you change the pitch down, you can hear the results that you're going to get. So you can also do maybe a speed up, and then we listen. Let's generate audio, and let's listen to what we get, the new result.
Hi everyone, this is David, and this is a clarification.
Still a good voice. So you can still add a pause. For example, right inside here, I can click before this begins and click add pause. And for the pause, we have preset values of like extra weak, medium, strong, extra strong. Let's say strong. And then we can generate audio. And then listen.
Hi everyone, this is David, and this is a clarification.
So it really sounds good what you can do in Murf AI Studio 2.0. As for the pronunciation, let's assume you want to change how this fellow says clarification. You can just double click on that, and then the pronunciation tab is going to pop up. Click on it, and from this you'll see the different options available. So you can click on this to preview. Play.
clarification.
We can also play or preview from this.
Clarification.
So it really depends on what you're going to feel works best for you. There are a bunch of them, and you can also create custom etc if especially they're kinda words that you use frequently. So that's what's new. Number 2, you can have more control over how your voiceover is going to sound like later on once you're ready to produce. And then we now have the option to add media. So you can click on add media. And from this section, there are a bunch of things that you can add. There are a ton of soundtracks, over 8,000 plus soundtracks that you can actually add to your videos. And we have a bunch of options here. So we've got different options. You can see characteristics. All these things are available right inside here. Genre, everything that you want in terms of stock music. Over 8,000 plus soundtracks are available in here. You can also click on my uploads. Once you click on that, upload files that you want to use to create a video with. You can also import video from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, etc. You can also import the audio only. Really awesome. And then you can see the images right here, your videos, etc. And you can easily use Murf Studio.ai to create videos fast. You get your videos and then you have your script and then auto-generate the text to speech into human-like voiceovers for your videos. So let's say we go with this particular add timeline. Then you can expand the timeline from this section and you'll see what everything looks like. It's just a random picture. Let's build a preview for this particular one so that we can see what this looks like. It's building the preview. It's almost done so that we can actually preview this and see what it looks like. So it's done. Let's play.
Hi everyone. This is David and this is a clarification.
So not the best kind of selection to use here, but you see what everything looks like. It looks really, really good. We've added that image and you can actually see what it looks like from down here. You can change this slider to how long you want this particular image to be. And once you do that, you can add more images here or anything that you want. Let's say we now want this one, add to timeline, and you now see that we have the different options available for us right inside here. So if we actually play, let's build the preview because the first image comes in here, then the second one, and so on and so forth. And I believe these features will keep on growing. For example, get stock videos, stock images. That will save you a ton of time. So let's play.
Hi everyone. This is David and this is a clarification.
I did this video on how to export SRT subtitles in DaVinci.
So it looks and sounds good. Finally, the final thing that's available in Murf AI Studio 2.0 is that Murf API is finally live, and for developers, you can now integrate your favorite AI voices inside Murf AI into an existing app, product, or any technology, and you can create voiceovers at a scale. That's it from me. That's what's new in Murf AI Studio 2.0. I hope this video has walked you through the different things that are available in Murf AI. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.